How to fix black screen camera on Instagram app. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the apps manager, go to the Instagram, click on force stop, and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the camera permission. Go back and click on the data usage. Make sure to enable all the options right here of the network access. Go back and click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Now you have to do one last thing, which is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.